This used to take hours, drawing frames, syncing audios, editing timelines, but with the help of this tool, you can do it within a few minutes. I'm talking about Golpo AI, which turns any of your ideas or document into whiteboard videos. So let me show you how to access this tool as well as use it. Search for Golpo AI, and if you can't find it directly, use this link right here, which is video.golpoai.com. Now here, click on this start for free and choose either of these options. I'm going to use my Google account. And once you do that, you land on this workspace. So this is where you create your website. But before we get into that, let me tell you right now I am on the free plan, which gives you 1 credit, and a single credit can be used to create a 1 minute video. So this is enough for you to try out this platform and see if it is useful to you or not. If you want a detailed information on different plans and their features, you can click on this instruction button, which highlights all the features according to the plans, and you can simply have a look at whatever plan and the feature that comes with it. So this can be helpful if you are thinking of buying a subscription. Now, coming to our main agenda, that is to create the video, we have to start off by either describing the video here in text, or you can simply attach any of the files that you want to create a video for. Okay, so I'm going to attach a document which has some of the HR policies, and I'll be using that to create the video. If you want, you can even just describe the video and it will create one for you. Now, these are the options, and mostly all of the options are locked because of subscription, but there are a few options which are available to us, which are these one right here. That is, you can select the music that will be added to the video. So if you check out, you have these options right here. I'm going to select inspirational. Then for the duration, we have just a minute. If you want, you can check out other duration as well if you have the subscription, that is. Next, you have the voice. You have 4 voice options, and to get a sample of it, you can click on this listen button, which will open up this window right here that has all 4 voices. All you have to do is click on this play button and let me show it to you.
Golpo is the world's best AI video generator for explainer videos.
So just like that, you get a preview of the voice. You can select one that you like by simply going back, and in the drop down you have the 4 options. I want to select the female alternative, and now you can decide the orientation. We'll leave that to horizontal. Then there are language options as well, which are only for creator and for the subscriptions. And we have style, and if you want, you can have a preview of this classic style. So these are the 3 styles, and we only have the access for the classic right now, so that's what we are going to choose. Okay, there was a misunderstanding. I didn't write the prompt. Despite the fact that I've added the document, I still have to write the prompt describing what exactly do I want this video to be about. Now, I've added the prompt, which is create a video explaining the HR policies mentioned in the document. And now I can go ahead, click on this generate video button, which will generate the video. It has asked me whether or not I want this video to be public. I'll select no and continue. You can track the progress of your video right here, and once it's done, you can find it in library. So let's wait. Okay, so our result is ready, and now let me show it to you.
Period. During this time, the notice is just 15 days. Once you're confirmed, it becomes a standard 30 days, solidifying your place on.
So that was the video. Now to even download this, you'll need a subscription, but if you want, you can copy this URL and send it to anyone, which will give the access to this video, but it will have this watermark right in the video. So that was a way using which you can create whiteboard videos, explainer videos using your text documents, presentation, Excel sheets, anything. All you have to do is write in a prompt of what exactly do you want the video to be like, and it will be ready within a few minutes. So go make your own explainer videos.